window install continues in the hotel block. The two main hotel rooms, the end of the block, stare directly out on the ocean. It deserved a giant window. So Sarah ordered windows that are wider. When they built the villas, they put retrofit doors in as windows and they packed it in on either side. So we're just gonna open that up. There we go, we got it. And it looks absolutely incredible. And I really think when you're laying in bed in that signature hotel room, staring out at that ocean, that perfect picture frame, I think it's gonna be worth every penny. That's nice. All right, let's do it again. Now that the huge hurricane windows are level and plumb, we just need to weather seal them with spray foam. How's that? Good. I can't hear you. Finally.
Looking good. They look beautiful from the outside and even better from the inside. It really feels like you are on the ocean. This is our idea of just relaxed, barefoot, luxury vibe.
The oceanfront hotel rooms will be our signature suites. They'll each get a large outdoor living area with private beachfront access. The remainder of the rooms will be our clubhouse suites, which are either pool-facing or facing the manicured grounds. All the hotel rooms will have a combination of tile and hardwood running through the main spaces, which will get custom cabinetry with bars and mini fridges. The signature suites will get king beds with breathtaking ocean views, while the clubhouse suites have the flexibility of either a king or two queen beds. The light and bright bathrooms will have a contemporary feel.
I think you'll actually love this room. It's very calming. It's mostly creams, linens, these beautiful taupes, but we have natural wood, natural stone, everything that you love, I've brought in here.
I could use a little calming.
When we think about all the different room looks, each of our villas and hotel rooms have a completely different design plan. We're not building something new. This is not shiny and flashy. This is relaxed and well-loved. I want people to experience something different in each room that they visit because there has been a lot of blood, sweat, and tears that has been put into each piece that is coming into this project.
It's a question, when is all this stuff arriving?
It'll be another month.
Every part of this budget, every part of this schedule is constantly moving and absorbing other parts and expanding and contracting. We have to make sure when this is done, it's incredible and it's full every night.
This is where we can stay maybe when it's all done.
We're not gonna be able to afford to stay here, I hate to tell you.
Bri,
Yeah?
do you have any checks in there?
I assume we have some checks, why?
No, I just got a call from the power company.
Yeah?
We're on their shut-off list for today because there's no mail here. So we have to go to the power company to pick up the bill every time.
Don't they bring a bill here?
No, they don't.
There's always little fires burning around the site, metaphorically speaking. And there's always one that, you know, somebody pours a little gas on. How much?
25 grand?
What? No.
Yeah, it's for the last 6 months.
Shut up.
They're like, we need this amount or you're shut off. It's unbelievable.
Are you serious? 25 grand?
25. Yeah. This whole process it's insane. We have about 25 minutes before we're not gonna have any power.
Okay.
Apparently you have to go down to the power plant and actually pick up a physical bill to be able to pay it.
What do we got, like 10 minutes to get there?
We have 20 minutes. And if we don't pay it today by 4 o'clock, they're gonna shut the power off. We don't have time.
Sir, thank you. If we lost power, that would be bad news. I mean, that would put the brakes on all the construction on site.
That's a day that we're behind, and we don't have any more days left to be behind. Uh-oh, that's the power company. We should stop. Make sure he's not gonna shut us down.
The guy we bumped into is actually the person at the power company that comes and flicks the switch when you haven't paid your bills.
You were on your way too? I can show you the check. I'm going there right now. She called me before.
Were you really on your way there?
I made sure to show him the check, make sure that we're good. Okay.
Was he joking? Oh, are you joking?
No.
How you doing? So, it's pretty timely. Anyway, we're going now.
We're gonna go now before they close. Oh, that was lucky.
So, right now, we have less than 15 minutes to drive halfway down the island, burst into the power company's office, and drop that check for $25,000.
$350. It's in this settlement somewhere. The generators are might be there.
We did make it down to the power company just by the skin of our teeth. Saved by the bell. Have a good afternoon.
All right, thank you.
25 grand later, we made it.
Whew. It's cocktail hour.
There's always something. I laugh myself to sleep so I don't wake up crying.
Do you think we'll get all these ACs installed today?
I think we gotta try. The roofers have been here for a few weeks now. They've finished off the hotel block, and it kind of brings the place back to life. But today, we have to work on getting the brackets for the air conditioner units and the air conditioner units themselves on the roof of the hotel block. All these line sets that are coming out here, you're gonna put extensions on them?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And we're gonna drill one hole
Okay.
with supply 2 units.
So we'll get these 2 brackets up.
Yeah.
We'll mount the AC unit.
Okay.
You can bring those line sets back
Yes,
in.
sir.
Okay. Okay, so what I say, we're gonna be 6 feet back, 18 inches between them.
Yeah. You want a bracket?
Yeah,
Got some caulking?
sure.
You want a drill?
Yeah, that'd be good. We have to make sure that the roof remains watertight, so we've got to put some silicone underneath the brackets. We've got to use the self-sealing screws. Because the last thing we want to do is mount all the air conditioner units on the roof and then have it rain and have every room leak.
Did we put them at the right spot? Yes.
Just like that. Dinner. Beautiful.
We have 18 hotel rooms. We're putting hardwood in there. We're putting drywall up. And moisture is such a big issue down here that we got to make sure that they're temperature controlled so that there's no issue with mold, moisture, anything like that.
Hook, done. Bueno solution.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna take forever.
Only 18 of them.
Ma'am, your villa experience awaits. We're basically at the stage where I can just hand these over to you. We have a couple of minor little details to do. That trim pieces is coming in. We'll get the tiles finished up.
Okay.
But we get the bar in, the fridge is installed, nice countertop.
I can at least start wallpaper in here pretty much
Yeah.
right away. And
Already
then light fixtures are here so they can go up.
This lovely sitting area here, the trim. What do you think of the trim?
I'm really glad we opened it up this way. Do you remember how it used to open up in the bathroom?
I do. Door's gone. We've got the cabinet in here.
Did you see the cabinetry? Does it look good?
I did. I was admiring this lovely trim that I displayed.
That's perfect. That's a ton of storage. Like
That's good
that.
size cabinet.
This room is huge.
For a couple of kids, whatever you want to put in here.
Can I see the bathroom?
Seating area, yeah, check it out. There's no toilet, so
Doesn't matter.
don't get too excited. It's very, very bright.
It's perfect.
Yeah, we're still waiting for the sills to go in so we can finish up the grouting and the tile. Toilet's ready to pop in.
That shower is
It's
huge.
a big shower.
Like romantic huge.
Romantic, huge.
Thank you.